All right. So these came in the mail today, and honestly, I know next to nothing about baseball.
We know nothing about baseball.
I know generally the teams. I know like a couple players, but that's pretty much it.
I only know this guy has a dog.
So this will be interesting. We actually had an extra box that I tried opening earlier. I sent the hits to our friend Tommy. I got nothing, apparently. So we're gonna see.
We're not gonna know if we got anything.
Yeah.
We don't know anything about baseball.
So you guys might
Or
be freaking out at
cards.
like, we might pull something, you guys might see it, and you guys go, wow, that's crazy, but I don't know. I have some sleeves here, just in case we might see something that's cool, but we'll see. Oh, I should probably explain. This is the Fanatics version, so I think there's an extra pack, and I think there's a chance at some exclusive merch. I don't know. Yeah.
Okay, well.
Alright, so I think from what I learned earlier is you wanna open it this way. You don't wanna see the back.
The back.
Yeah, because the back is the one with the gift card.
Oh.
I don't know if that's true, but
Is it double-sided?
yeah.
Wait, it's double-sided?
No, so the back two cards are always flipped over for some reason. I have no idea. Oh, I'm gonna zoom in for you guys, but I'm gonna show. So I don't know who this rookie is.
This one says C, and I don't know what that means.
That means catcher.
S-E-A?
Oh, that's Seattle Mariners.
I thought
That's
you
the
said it
Seattle
was the
team.
Seattle Seahorses.
No, that's the football team. No, the football team is Seahawks. What is this? National League leaders in average.
Ball. What is that?
What?
What's ball?
Baltimore Orioles, I think.
What's this name? Oh, it does say Baltimore Orioles. Oreos!
I don't know who this Sosa is.
What team is this? Jordan Beck. Colorado Rockies.
KC. Los Angeles Angels.
Oh, look, a Dodgers person. Oh, I know the Angels. That's where I'm from. What a name. Mookie Betts.
Oh!
Mookie Betts.
Mookie Betts is a good player. I know that.
Dodgers?
Yeah.
I know the Dodgers. W-S-H. Washington, because it says Washington already. W-S-H. Seahawks.
No, you're never gonna get it. It's Nationals. The A's.
Oh, Washington is W-S-H. Wash. Oh. What's this? Look, it's sideways. Oh, I also have the A's.
Yeah.
Wait, but why is mine sideways?
Some of them are sideways. I don't know.
Oh, it's the whole team.
Vladimir Guerrero. Oh, this is one of the older
They're
cards.
the whole team.
I saw this when I was opening the extra pack.
Wait,
If I look at the side, it's
Wait, have you been showing them the cards?
yeah, this whole time.
I'm just facing it to me.
That's okay. All right, and then I don't want to look at the other side, so hold on. If I do this.
Jimmy Crooks.
All right, so this one, if you look on the back, it has it's red. It's like an old style trading card. I recognize this from earlier.
Why is it red?
It's just like it's what they call an insert.
O-F. Only.
I don't actually know what that means.
Look, I know this guy.
Outfielder.
Aaron Judge.
Oh, you got an Aaron Judge card. That's fun.
Yankees.
All right, now I'm gonna flip it around, and then I'm at the back too.
I don't know who that is.
I don't know who that is either.
Philadelphia Phillies. Oh, Jenny's team. Okay.
All right, so I have a Stars of the MLB, I think. Julio Rodriguez from the Seattle Mariners. I don't know if that's.
How do you know they're stars of the MLB?
It's from the. I knew that this was what the insert is.
What's an insert?
It means it's like a special card that's different from.
Oh.
from the normal.
Christian Yelich.
Ooh. I don't know who this person is, but they're from the San Francisco Giants, so that's fun. Because I'm from the Bay Area, so.
Dodgers!
Who'd you get from the Dodgers?
I don't know.
Oh, I don't know who that is.
Clayton
Kershaw.
But I know who the Dodgers are.
Alright.
Wait, I have one more card. And it's sideways.
Okay.
Oh, wait, you only have 2 shiny
Whoa!
cards? I had 3 shining cards.
Whoa! I think that's something.
Cincinnati Reds.
I think that's what Tommy was saying is a rainbow hollow foil
It is
thing.
rainbow. Oh, you don't have one?
No, they look like this if they're normal.
Wait, you only had 2 shiny cards?
Yeah.
Oh, that's why I was confused. I was like, I have 3.
Wow. I don't know who that is or if it's worth anything, but I opened a whole box earlier and I didn't get that, so that's
It is rainbow.
crazy that you have that.
Did you want to sleep this?
Yeah, we should probably save that.
Wait, let me see. I don't even know if it's in frame.
Here.
As you said to Tommy earlier, I have blessed the pack.
Yeah. So I have some terrible luck when it comes to opening stuff. And I only ever get good things with if Amy is the one to open it. So I have
Oh, it's sideways.
this guy
Baseball BFFs.
from the Cubs. Interesting.
That's cute. Diamondbacks. I wouldn't have guessed that. I would have guessed crocodiles from the logo.
I mean, that's fair. And I will flip. I have another Juan Soto.
I know Juan Soto.
Stars of the MLB.
Ellie has a Juan Soto jersey.
Let me
I
see
got-
that.
Mookie Betts from the Dodgers.
Hey, Mookie Betts. He's a good player.
Oh wait, I got another card of him.
Yeah.
And then,
Oh, that guy you pointed out earlier. I have a special
whoa.
rainbow card. Not rainbow card, but
Mine also has the Topps logos.
yeah. So these ones apparently are just like typical foil.
Oh.
I don't know.
Okay.
All right.
I don't know what any of this means.
Okay.
Because I don't know what it means.
Mike Trout. I recognize that name. He's on the Angels.
Wow. McLean.
Why is this backwards?
Probably because you have flipped the green.
No. The other ones, this was forward, so maybe I have a good one.
Willie Addings.
From the San Francisco
Okay,
Giants.
what do you have?
I don't know, I'm gonna flip it. And flip. So I have a Stars of the MLB Ronald Acuna Jr.
Oh, what's this? Sorry, admit one. Did I get a ticket? Big ticket
No.
player.
No,
What did I say admit one?
it's just like a fun special design. Sorry.
Whoa, look at this one.
Ooh, Titans of the Game rookie card. I don't know who that
It's
is.
shiny. Roman Anthony.
Again, I'm gonna go through
Wait,
this.
his leg is broken in this one. He's literally bleeding. It has a cast on.
No. Okay. That's dirt. That's sand from the baseball fields, and that's not a cast. That's a shin guard.
But it doesn't cover his shin.
It does cover a shin.
Not his whole shin. Like this is.
Yeah, it's just for like, that means he bats with that leg forward. Because if it gets thrown, if the ball hits him, like it's guarded.
I literally thought he was leaving. This isn't as fun as when I opened Pokemon cards for you and you're like, because I'm like, I don't understand, and you also don't understand.
Yeah.
So far, we have not won any merch.
No. And I'm fairly certain we haven't hit anything good.
What about my super shiny card? You don't think my super shiny card was good?
don't think so.
Dude, I thought you said.
I mean, it might be. I don't know.
T-Rex. Oh, Tex.
Ah,
Texas. Damn it, they're not the T-Rexes.
nope.
Texas Rangers.
And then I have the Houston Astros.
Wait, UBS, like UBS Arena?
Where does it say UBS?
UBS.
No, that's just Cubs.
We're in New York, that says UBS.
And then
Oh,
on
look.
the other side.
Oh my god, the Japanese guy with the dog.
Oh, Japan's finest.
Finest Fuel LA. Dodgers duo.
I have a Titans of the Game, Bobby Witt Jr. And a Gavin Williams Topps foil thing.
Okay, this is the only guy I know, so keep it on this side. Hey, I know this guy. Aaron
The Dodgers.
Judge.
Ooh. Stars of the MLB.
We saw him in person once.
We did go to a Yankees game.
I don't know this guy, but it's another card.
I don't know if you guys can see the wrappers that are
They
behind.
cannot. You
No.
can show them after. Big stretch, Ali. You
Alright.
want to book the cards?
Wanna boop?
You want to Thank you.
How about mine? Ellie. Come on. Thank you. Good girl.
Thanks, Danny. Alrighty.
Alright. This is bound to have something good. I have Matt Olson.
Who's that?
I have no idea. Kyle Stowers. Alex Friedland.
Joe Adele.
Someone from the Giants.
You give up saying their names?
Yeah.
Look, New Age Athletics. Team welcomes youth influx.
What? Interesting. I have someone from the Mets.
Wow.
They're a rookie.
Miami. Wait. Swordfish.
Close enough. It's close enough.
What is it? Miami Marlins. What's a Marlin? Look, 3.
Oh. What's this?
I don't know what any of this means.
Profiles by Ken Griffey Jr.
Wait, I know this guy. Juan Soto.
Yeah.
Wait, Soto? I thought he played for the Yankees.
Remember he last season or 2 seasons ago he decided he was gonna go to the Mets.
I was like, Ellie has a Yankees Soto jersey.
Yeah. Alright, last pack magic. We're gonna hopefully go through this somewhat quickly. Dane Myers.
Jenny might like this card. The Philadelphia Phillies. The
Oh,
whole team.
oh,
Oh,
the
look.
whole New York Mets.
Wow! Look, it says the Padres. Are they the Padres?
Yeah,
SD? San Diego Padres?
San Diego Padres.
Oh, really?
Yep. Paul Skeens, I've heard of this guy.
Oh, look,
so.
a shiny Boston Red Sox. The
Wow.
whole team. And Fiend. Let us know in the comments if you want to buy any of these cards. I'm just kidding.
I think we got absolutely shackled.
I don't know. I didn't. You literally said you don't know what any of the good cards were. So how would you know we didn't get them?
Because, like, Tommy was explaining, like, these were like inserts, like common inserts or something.
But what about the super shiny one I got?
The rainbows. I actually have no idea. We might have gotten something good. I don't know. All right. Well, that was that. I'll clean this up. I'll go through the pile again to sleeve the inserts. I don't know if they're worth sleeving, but I figured I might as well. I do have 2 more boxes of cards, but they are a different set. But if anything's like this, it's probably Not gonna go. Ah, great. All right. Hope you guys had fun.
Ellie, do you approve of our activities today? I think that's a no. Johan looks disappointed. Oh, you heard me?
Yes. Would you like to choose a box? We can just rush through it.
No, I don't have good feelings about either of those.
So we'll just rush through them.
I'll just eat my cookie.
We'll rush through them, it's okay.
Okay, bye. This will not be on camera.
Alright, so we've been opening up the other boxes, and honestly, Amy was making some really funny comments. So we're gonna record the rest of it. We got this Paul Skeens card. I don't know if it's worth anything, but it looks fun.
It's rainbow. It says magical.
It says mystical.
Oh. Mystical. Magical.
Okay.
It has a dragon. Oh, look, it has a wizard. It has a wizard. Oh, he plays for the Pirates.
Yes. Forgot to. We got this Yogi Berra card earlier. There goes the sleeve. Anyways.
Also, we gave up. We're just opening the
We're
cards.
just
and showing the
yeah.
shiny ones.
We're not.
Oh, he pooped his pants.
Oh, Justin Verlander.
Logan Baker.
That guy sounds familiar. He's on the Giants, at least according to this.
Oh, look, another Giants guy.
Matt. What?
Chapman. Oh, like Chapman Law.
Spencer Torkelson.
Oh, I got a purple shiny mystical card too. Kobe Mayo. His name is Mayo, like mayonnaise.
Oh, I thought you were gonna say like Mayo Allen.
You should do it because my hands actually kind of sweaty.
I thought you were gonna say
one or two.
Mayo Allen.
Allen and Justin Steele. Wait, did you show the camera? I didn't show.
Oh, I didn't show it. Kobe Mayo.
Giant coach. Oh, Grant coach. I thought it was a giant. Doesn't it look like the word giant?
Eric Wagaman.
He looks like he's on his phone.
No autos, no numbered, but okay. It's grown. All right.